Good morning, students. In the previous video, I talked to you about the importance of English language. On the international level, of course, English is used by the world, and in the previous topic I was also talking about English language, on the importance of English language, especially in India. On the paper, of course, one particular language is used as a national language, but practically it is not true. The factual thing is that English is the only language which is used throughout in the country. I gave you in the previous lecture the example of northeast states and south states of the country. In Parliament, the Parliament, as you know, that it is considered as a temple of the democracy, where the members from all states come together, they discuss the issues, they make a law. So it is the business of the Parliament. But you might have been observed, the members come from different states together. They never talk in one particular language, but by majority of them, English is spoken. The English is used by them. So on paper, one particular language is as a national language, but practically English is used. So in Parliament, the parliamentary business run through the English language. I'm sure that you are the fans of so many Bollywood actors and actresses. You watch movies in the theater. One thing I would like to shed a light: while watching movie, you can come to know that on the screen these Bollywood stars, actors and actresses, very fluently they use Hindi language. Very fluently. Take any examples. On the screen, they use Hindi language very fluently. But the same artist, the same actor and actresses, they communicate, they interact with the media. When they interact with their fans, they never use Hindi language. This is the important thing that you should keep in your mind. The actor who speaks English on the screen very fluently, but the same actor or actresses, he never use or she never uses Hindi as the medium of communication with the media and the fans. They always use English language, remember. We are the fan of cricketers, of course. I am also a fan. When the same cricketer, when he is acting in one particular advertisement, he uses Hindi language. You take any example. Your favorite cricketers, Virat Kohli, Tendulkar, whatever it may be. In the advertisements, they use Hindi, but the same cricketer, the same player, when he is interacting with the media, he is giving the interview, they never use Hindi. You might have been observed it. They always use English language as the medium of communication, as the medium of interaction. As I give you the examples of the ministers or the parliament members in the parliament, when they ask the question, they use English language. In India also, all scientific books are written in English language. Later on, they might have been translated in other regional languages. But the first of all, the information of their research is written in English language. I am telling you the importance of English language from the last 2 days, remember. First of all, I talk the importance of English language on the international level. When we come at the national level, that Hindi, English is the only language which is used throughout in the country. I gave you some examples also. The northeast states, though Hindi is considered as the English national language, it is not used throughout in the country. In northeast countries, states, English is used by them. South Indians, English is used by them. All the scientific books are written in English. All the celebrities, they may be cricketers or they belong to film industries, they use in English language. And that is why, simple example that you should keep in your mind. When we purchase our favorite soap, for example, Moti soap, Lux soap, Santur soap, the name of that particular brand, it is not written in Marathi or any other regional language. The name of that particular brand is written in English, Lux, Santor, Santur, etc. When we purchase one toothpaste also, the name of the toothpaste is written in English on the wrapper. When we purchase a pen also, here, look at my pen. The name of the pen, the name of the brand of the pen, it is written in English language. What I am trying to tell you is that the English language is reached at your door. When we sleep on the bed, we use mosquito liquid, coil or whatever it may be. Generally we say good night. In order to prevent ourselves from the mosquitoes, we use good night or other brands. The name of the good night is written in English. When we wake up in the morning, when we use the toothpaste, the name of that particular brush, the name of the brush itself, it's English words. We always ask our mom that where is the paste? Where is Colgate? The paste, it is English word. Colgate, it is the English word. We always ask our mom, where is my toothbrush? The word toothbrush is the English word. So English is spread everywhere. It is reached up to your bedroom, up to your bathroom. And that is why, keeping all these things in the mind, the university has prescribed this particular topic. And that is why, remember, in first and second years, one particular subject was there and it was known as the compulsory English language. You have learned it. The title itself is the compulsory English. Why it is compulsory? Because English becomes compulsory language now. It is everywhere spread. I have the laptop, the name of the laptop is written in English. I have the book, the title of the book is written in English. The name of the pen, the brand name is written in English. Everywhere it is spread there. So it becomes compulsory to know English language. So that is why at least we must be able to write, read and understand English language. English language has been prescribed as a compulsory English language. And that is why you all learns. So it is the importance of English language.